Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into T-Mobile, simple guide step by step clearly. To log into T-Mobile, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.t-mobile.com and press enter. Wait for the T-Mobile homepage to load completely. Once the page is open, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your T-Mobile username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the respective links below the login fields. After entering your credentials, look for the login button at the bottom of the page. Click the login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your T-Mobile account dashboard. In case you encounter any issues, check the message displayed for guidance. Once logged in, you can manage your account, view plans, and access support. Enjoy exploring the features available on your T-Mobile account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.